Good morning, Miss Kim. I am Sheena from HR Bayanihan ko. I'm glad that you could join me for your final virtual interview today. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. I'm doing well, and thank you for the greetings. And I'm very excited to discuss the opportunity with Bayanihan ko.
Wow, good to hear. So let's start with your background. I already reviewed your resume, and can you tell me about your experience in administrative roles, particularly any relevant into the furniture industry?
I have 2 years of experience as an administrative assistant, primarily in retail environments, trendy furniture, and I manage inventory records and assisted in according products displays, which help enhance the shopping experience. I've also handled customer inquiries regarding product features and specifications.
Uh-huh. That's great to hear, ma'am. At Bayanihan ko, we focus quality furniture and customer satisfaction. Can you share any experience you have with your furniture products or any home decor market in the market?
I have a keen interest in furniture and design, and in my previous role, I supported the sales team by providing them with detailed product information to assist the customers. And I also help maintain an organized showroom, ensuring that our pieces were displayed effectively to attract the customers.
Okay, good. Are you familiar with e-commerce platform and have you had any experience managing online sales or furniture?
I'm quite familiar with e-commerce platforms like Shopee and TikTok, while I haven't directly managed an online furniture store before. However, I understand how essential it is to showcase the functionality and aesthetics of furniture online.
That is a so valuable skill, especially in our industry. And how do you think the trends in furniture design and consumer preferences can affect our administrative process?
Staying current with furniture trends is very crucial for our marketing and inventory strategies. And administrative processes should be flexible enough to respond to these trends. So ensuring that our inventory aligns with the customer's mood.
Wow, great insight. Can you tell me about a time you faced a challenging in your administrative duty and how you resolve it?
First, certainly, I'll tell it. So in my last position, we experienced a sudden surge in customer inquiries during a holiday sale. So to handle the influx, I implemented a tracking system to prioritize the urgent requests and created a FAQ document to streamline responses. This is not only to improve response times, but also to reduce the overall workload on the team.
That's so impressive. Prioritizing tasks effectively is essential in our face environment. Do you have any question about Bayanihan Furniture Co. or any about for your applying role?
Yes, thank you for the compliment. And I'd love to know more about the company's plans for expanding its product line and how the administrative team support that growth.
Oh, that's great question. We are looking to introduce more eco-friendly furniture options, and in the coming year, we administer um We and our administrative team plays a vital role in managing supplier relationship and coordinating product launches. Your experience could be very beneficial in this area.
That's very sound exciting. And I believe my skills would align well with your goals. And I'm very thankful for the information.
Thank you, Miss. I've enjoyed our conversation today. This includes your final virtual interview, and we look forward to welcoming you in on site.
Thank you, ma'am. And I appreciate the opportunity. And I'm really looking forward to hearing from you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi there. Thanks for sending in your resume. I'm so excited to talk with you. Can you start by telling me a little about your background in handicrafts?
Hi, I'm glad to be here. I've been working with textiles and woodworking for about 5 years now. I love creating unique pieces, especially when I can blend different techniques together.
That sounds interesting. What specific craft techniques do you have training in?
I've trained in textile design and I have a strong background in pottery as well. I really enjoy experimenting with different materials and styles to create something new.
That's great to hear. How do you ensure the quality of your handmade goods?
I pay close attention to detail. I like to double check my work at each stage of production, and I make sure to test everything maintain high quality.
Awesome. Can you share a bit about a unique piece you've created in the past?
Sure, I recently made a series of hand-painted ceramic bowls that were inspired by nature. Each piece has a different design, and I incorporated a lot of vibrant colors that really pop.
Sounds beautiful. Lastly, how do you manage your time when working on multiple projects?
Mm, I use a planner to keep track of deadlines and prioritize tasks. I find that breaking down projects into smaller steps helps me stay organized and focused.
Great. Thanks for taking the time to chat today. I'm so excited to learn more about you. Can you tell me why you're interested in this position as a handicraft artisan?
Hi, I'm really passionate about handmade goods and love the idea of working with a team to create unique products. I believe this role aligns perfectly with my skills and interests.
That's great to hear. What do you enjoy most about working with your hands in this craft?
I love the creative process and the satisfaction of seeing my ideas come to life. There's something really special about crafting something unique that others can appreciate.
Absolutely. Collaboration can be key in a production setting. Can you share your experience working with others in a craft environment?
Sure. In my last job, I worked closely with a small team to create a collection for a local market. We would share ideas and help each other out, which really improved the final products.
Sounds like a great experience. How do you handle feedback from team members?
I always welcome feedback. I see it as a way to grow and improve my work. I think it's important to be open minded and learn from others' perspectives.
Great attitude. Let's talk a bit about your problem solving skills. Can you give an example of a challenge you faced while crafting and how you overcame it?
Definitely. Once I was working on a project and realized I had run out of a key material, instead of panicking, I quickly brainstormed and used a different material that ended up working even better than my original plan.
Oh, I'm glad we're getting to the technical part of our chat. Let's dive into your hands-on skills. Can you tell me about your experience with tools and equipment?
Mm. I've worked with various tools, from sewing machine to pottery wheels. I always make sure to follow safety protocols and keep everything well maintained.
That's great to hear. What's your process for ensuring quality standards in your work?
In my work, I like to set a checklist for each project. I review my work at different stages to ensure it meets my quality standards before moving on. It helps me to catch any issues early on.
Awesome approach. How do you stay creative when designing new pieces?
I draw inspiration from nature and everyday life. I also like to experiment with new techniques or materials, which often leads to unexpected and exciting results.
Wow, sounds like a fun process. Can you describe a time when you had to troubleshoot a crafting challenge?
Sure. Once, while working on a wood carving, I hit a snag with a difficult design. I took a step back, sketched out some alternative approaches, and I found a simpler technique that worked beautifully.
Excellent problem solving. Finally, how do you keep your projects on track and meet deadlines?
Mm, I set clear goals and timelines for each project. I also review my progress regularly, which helps me to stay on schedule and adjust if I need to.
Oh, wow. Congratulations, Miss Aubrey Joyce Brondial.